What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your copy of Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Professional completely for free, zero cost. So let's get right into it. You'll find these commands in the description of the video. We're going to use this first one here. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Okay. We're going to look up CMD here. We're going to run it as an administrator. We're going to paste it, press enter. You're going to give this just a moment. Okay, and you're going to see this pop up. It's going to say preparing for upgrade. So this is going to take just a few minutes. Let it do its thing and restart, and we'll come back when it's done. Okay, cool. So we are back. It just booted up, and we're going to go to our activation settings now, and I'm going to show you. We are on Windows 11 Pro. You will see the activation state is not active. So now we're going to come to the second and last step of this process to activate it. So we're going to go back to our commands here. We're going to want to go ahead and copy this line of code. Okay, we're going to come down here. We're going to look up Windows PowerShell. We're going to right click it. We're going to run it as administrator. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and paste this code in here, press enter, and that command will make this window pop up. Okay, now you're going to see activation methods. We want Windows, so 1 corresponds to Windows, so we're going to press 1. It's going to initialize. Okay, then it's going to come up with some of the facts about your computer. It's going to give you some updates as it does its thing. You see it says permanently activated with a digital license. When you're on this step, press any key to go back, and then press 0. And you can close out of PowerShell. Now we're going to come back to activation settings, and you can see that Windows 11 Pro is active. It says it's activated with a digital license key. Now, if you want to get some of the features of Windows 11 Pro, you're going to look up turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and click this, and let's say you want, for example, Hyper-V. You're going to go ahead and enable that. You're also going to enable Virtual Machine Platform, Hypervisor Platform. You can go through here and choose what you'd like. I'm actually using a hypervisor for this video, so I will not be pressing OK, but when you press OK, it'll tell you it's done, and then you press restart and it does it. So that's pretty much it. Super easy, super straightforward. So if you can give me a like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. I'm new to YouTube, but I did this on my personal computer today, so I figured I would make a video showing how to do this because I did not find any good information on it. So hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.